So normally I don't do rant videos, but I'm really getting tired of all this copyright crap. So if we go here to videos, if it works, you can see that this video has been blocked due to copyright material. I just uploaded this today. And this copyright stuff is really getting ridiculous. Several of my videos previously, they put ads on them for the copyright police, but this one they actually blocked it. Go here, and it was blocked because of this song, blocked by, who is it blocked by? So it doesn't say the record label here, although I think they did say it in the email that they sent me. Why does it not? Here we go. Copyright owners. Stop. So here we go. So all these people apparently simultaneously own the copyright. That's interesting. And they have decided that I cannot make a video about an FM radio. So I think this is going to be the last video I make about an FM radio and upload to YouTube, since apparently I cannot even demonstrate a radio without the copyright police coming after me. And I made a point in the video not to play any song for more than a couple seconds because of this copyright crap. So from now on, this channel is going to be AM only radio repair. No more FM radio repair thanks to these people right here. So the only way that I see that we can change this is to start boycotting all of these studios and places that back up all this copyright garbage. So now I haven't been this angry before because they just put ads on the video, so whatever, if you want to get 10 cents off of me making a video, I mean my videos get what, like 15 views on average? That really matters that much to you. You gotta get 10 cents for the 5 seconds my song played, or your song played in the video. But this time, for whatever reason, they blocked the video. So, the next time I go to buy music, I'm going to make sure that none of these record labels are producing the music that I am buying. Because the only way that I see we can put an end to this is to make it more expensive to them to keep up these policies, either by boycotting the studios that enforce them, or by fighting them in court, which of course I am not going to do because, first of all, that would be very expensive to me, and I don't have that kind of resources, and this really isn't worth that. But anyway, I think we need to make it more expensive to the studios to enforce these copyright policies than the money that they think they're getting by enforcing them. It's an insane amount of greed, I think, coming out of both recording studios and artists themselves. And these people make millions and millions of dollars, and all they can do is demand more. And you play 5 seconds of their song, and they come down to you on like a ton of bricks. They're always demanding more money out of these streaming services. I mean, how much money can you possibly need? You make millions and millions of dollars, and yet they keep demanding more and more from everybody. So I'm going to be boycotting all of these studios from now on, and I'm also going to not be making any more FM radio repair videos. So if that upsets you, please direct your anger directly at any of these people or at all of these people. I'm not sure if I should direct it at her or not. She probably doesn't even know what's going on regarding this. But these people definitely know what's going on regarding this, and my anger is directed directly at them. So if you feel tired of, content creators having to tiptoe around copyright law, please direct your anger directly at these music studios. So I think that's going to be all for this video. I'm going to try and see if I can erase the song, because it says you can do that, but that's not really the point. The point is I should be able to demonstrate how a radio performs without having to worry about any of this garbage. Usually I don't do rant videos, but we'll see how this one does and if it's worth making more of them. See if this works. Let's see what happens.
So welcome back to this random table where I fix stuff. Here we have this little Magnavox portable battery AM FM radio. I've already...
Oh, well, it's going to take a while. So anyway, I'm sure you didn't enjoy this video because I didn't enjoy it. But thank you for watching anyway, if you got this far.